In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Descript for a new account. To get started, open the official Descript website and click Sign Up. This is the first step in creating your account and getting access to the platform. Descript is designed for editing audio and video in a text-based way, so setting things up properly from the beginning will make everything much easier later. Next, create your account. You can either sign up with a Google account or enter your email addresses and create a password manually. Choose whichever option is more convenient for you. If you're creating an account with email, make sure you're using an address you can access right away because you may need it in the next step. If Descript asks you to verify your email, go to your inbox, open the verification message, and follow the instructions provided. This is a standard security step, and it helps confirm that your account is active and ready to use. After that, complete your profile by entering the requested account details. Just fill in the basic information Descript asks for so your workspace can be set up correctly. Once your profile is ready, choose your Descript plan. Pick the option that best fits your needs. If you're new to the platform and just want to explore it first, you can start with the free option and upgrade later if needed. From there, download the Descript desktop app if you plan to edit video or audio on your computer. Install it like you would any other application, then open it and sign in using the account you just created. This connects the desktop app to your new Descript account and gives you access to your workspace. When prompted, allow any necessary permissions, especially if you plan to record your screen, camera, or microphone. These permissions are important because without them, some recording features may not work correctly. Now you're ready to create your first project. Click New Project, give it a clear name, and choose where you want it stored. Naming projects clearly from the start is a simple habit that can save time later, especially if you end up creating multiple files. Next, import or record your content. You can upload an existing audio or video file or use Descript's record feature to create something new directly inside the app. Before you begin working, take a moment to check your settings. Review your microphone, camera, transcription, and export settings so everything is configured the way you want. This quick check can help prevent avoidable issues once you start editing. Once everything is in place, you can start editing. From there, you'll be able to edit the transcript, remove unwanted sections, add captions, adjust your video, and export your finished project. That's it. You're now fully set up and ready to use Descript.